Cow face pose. Sit in a cross-legged, comfortable position with your hands on your knees and extend the crown of your head upward. Cross your right leg over the left, sliding your left foot to the right side and your right foot to your left side until your knees are aligned. Pull your feet towards your hips. Reach your right arm over your right shoulder. Bend your right elbow and place your fingers below your neck and between your shoulders. Reach your left arm behind your back. Bend your left elbow and reach your left hand up to your right hand to interlace or grab the fingers. Hold it here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly reverse out of the pose. Roll the shoulders out and switch the arm and leg positions.